be that sentence?
Well, it was one that was carefully adjudicated by a very experienced judge, and she had been a defense counsel before, so I knew that it wasn't going to be 8 to 10 years, and I was fairly pessimistic on a sentence that I was asking, although you know, it's up to the judge, and they have to look at a lot of things, psychiatric reports, the breach of the bail, the horrible tragedy to the complainants, the victims, and so I think it was a fair sentence. Penitentiary was required by the case law, by the Court of Appeal, for aggravated assaults. We started with an attempt murder on one of the complainants, and that just wasn't there on the law, on the evidence, and so I think it was a fair sentence for the public, for the complainants, and for the gentleman before the court. I mean, you could write a book about a case like this because of all the ironic twists and turns on this. I mean, you know, the night before sentencing, there's nothing happening, and then within 10 hours ago, there's these sightings in the media of the lost daughter who hasn't been seen, for 2 years, type of thing.
What was the reaction when he heard 6 years? I know you talked to him to give him the news before we went into court.
Right, I have my one of my students down speaking to him. I'm going to speak to him myself, but he was pretty, he knew something was coming in the range.